everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. In this video I'm about to show you guys how you can create a team on Fantasy Premier League app. So once you're on Fantasy Premier League app, what you need to do is you need to just simply hit on Fantasy in the middle of the screen, the middle bottom, and then you'd be redirected to this page over here. Now let's hit on pick team, and here you can see there are a bunch of different teams over here. You can just either choose any of these teams, and let's look a little bit. That's totally on you, on your gaming strategy and how you play the game. And once you have chosen your team, you need to go back, and now it's time to choose the right players for this game. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply hit on transfers after I go back to the same page, and then here I can see the values of all these players in pounds. So choose wisely, choose the best players that you can, and yeah, that's how you create a Premier League team on Fantasy Premier League. If this video is helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.